across here to go to the gold souk. So this should be fun. And that boat right there is what this looks like. So right now I'm in the old town of Dubai. And of course, anytime I see bread, I have to ask if there's any bread. And I just saw a sign that said bakery. So here I am trying to order something, and this should be fun and yummy. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
What is this? This
Okay, and then that was the flamethrower back there. And then boom, some bread. I love it. It's gonna be so yummy. I ordered two because I like bread.